Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tahmis Kitchen. Today we will be making iced coffee. You will need a blender. I am using Magic Bullet. Link will be in description. Start off by adding half cup of ice. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon instant coffee. 2/3 cup of any milk you prefer. I used whole milk. 1 tablespoon powdered milk. I used DANO. Link will be in description. Now blend well until slushy consistency. Cover the inside of the glass with chocolate syrup. The syrup I used will be in the description. Freeze the glass with the syrup for 30 minutes. Add the blended coffee mix. Add whipped cream and chocolate syrup on top for garnish. Now enjoy a refreshing drink. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.